Hello boys and girls, Miss Hodzik here, coming at you from my gigantic comfy beanbag. I got very tired of sitting in a chair all day. Today we have our Blue Belt song, which we will talk about in just a moment. This song is very special because it has a brand new note for you, which we have not learned in class. It is in your Be a Recorder Star book or online if you're using that. Your new note is going to be E. The first line on the staff, E. So this note uses stuff that we already know. We know first finger and thumb, B. We know A, and we know G. So you keep this here, and you're going to need your right hand now, your thumb, to just hang out somewhere on the back. And then 2 fingers. Your 2 fingers are going to go in the 2 holes right underneath that. So you'll have your pinky and your ring finger just chilling here now. So 5 fingers plus your thumb on the back. And that is your E. Here's what it sounds like. Now, this note is lower. So you might think, I need to blow really hard to play that note, but don't do that because it'll sound like that. You actually need to use the little trick of blowing even less air than when you play B, A, and G. Because if you blow too hard, it will sound way higher than it should. So I'm going to play an E one more time for you, and then I want you to try it out. Go ahead and pause if you need to try it. If you're having some trouble, really check to make sure that your fingers are covering the holes all the way. Remember, we checked in class to see if there are dots on our fingers. And if there are full circles, you know you're covering the holes all the way. Don't forget about your thumb too. One more time. Once you can play an E by itself, try changing from a G to an E, from a G to an E, or an E to a G. I'll start on an E first, then a G, most importantly, make sure that you're lifting both fingers up at the same time. If you're not, sounds kind of cool, but isn't what we're looking for right now. So you can pause it, take a minute to practice G to E, because that's what you're going to be doing in this next song. Okay, so your Blue Belt song is Lucy Locket. I don't know if you know this song, but I'm going to sing it to you so you kind of understand how it's supposed to sound. Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbon round it. So it actually ends on your E. It's all T, 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 ta, ta. And then it repeats the same pattern, but a little bit differently. With different notes, I mean. Oops. So here's the whole song, and then I'm going to break it down for you a little bit. It starts on G, then it goes to A. Make sure you have your 2 fingers ready for E. I kind of float them like they're on a hoverboard right above those holes so they're ready. And here is Lucy Locket. And that is Lucy Locket. I would practice G, G, A, A, G, G, E, E a whole lot. In fact, you can play with me. I'll go a little bit slower. 1, 2, here I go. And that is Lucy Lockett. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or send me a message on Canvas. I will be there to help you if you need help. Otherwise, make sure you practice this more than once. It's gonna take more than one time. And once you're ready, send me your video and I cannot wait to see it. All right, see you next time. Bye.